Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him.
Your attention, please.
So we decided we're going to eat at Docking Bay 7. And this is actually really nice in here. Kind of has like a workshop factory kind of vibe to it. This is really, really nice. So just a big key of advice, get a table and then mobile order. Because behind this wall here, there's a line for food. Just get your table and mobile order. It's saying about 5-10 minutes our food's gonna be ready. So hopefully it all works out. I'm really excited to try this food. Ashley's getting like a pita veggie little dip thingy, and I got the tip-yip salad. I'm super excited to try it. But this is really cool. And there's little Easter eggs all over. I'll have to try to show you after we eat. But you can see the 80 up here, and there's also another number here, I just can't tell which one, and those are referencing when the original Star Wars trilogy came out. So Ashley got a salad wrap spread, pretty much. So this right here is pita chips. Not sure exactly what this is, and this is hummus underneath. I got the roasted tip-yip salad, which looks amazing. And we got some moof juice, which is like a pineapple passion fruit juice. So I'm really excited to try that. So yeah, we're gonna dive in and we'll let you know how it is. All right, here's my tip-yip salad. That's good. It's got kind of a lime flavor to it. It's almost like a Caesar salad with some sunflower seeds and roasted chicken. Roasted chicken's really good, and I like that it's not breaded. It's just a roasted chicken. So overall, I like this salad. Now let's see what Ashley's tastes like. So what is that you're eating? A meatball? It could be. Give it a shot. Just give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and then I'll try to break it down. Uh-oh, she's thinking it must be difficult. Well, is it good though? It's good? It's interesting? Oh boy, it's interesting. Okay, I'll try to break down what it actually tastes like. My turn. Okay, it's got a chili powder kick to it. I'm not sure what kind of meat that is. If it's a turkey or like a sausage. I don't think it's a sausage. I think it's a turkey. But it's got a good chili powder kind of flavor to it. A lot of seasoning in it. It's got a lot of spice. It's not bad. It's probably not something I would get. But if it was a little warmer, I think I'd like it. But both of our dishes are kind of meant to be cold. So overall, not bad. So my salad, I highly recommend, which is the tip-yip, roasted tip-yip salad. Hers is the spread. It's like the focaccia pita bread spread, which here's that, really good, and the moof juice. I've taken a little sip. Oh, get the moof juice, pineapple passion fruit, good consistency. No, we haven't tried blue milk yet. We haven't tried green milk. We're gonna get to that later. But overall, this is a very good meal. And with our discount, both of these, plus our juice, was only $29 with the discount, so it wasn't too bad. Before the discount, it was like $32, $33, so not too bad prices. I mean, it's theme park food, so you get what you get. Overall, not bad. We highly recommend this Docking Bay 7. It's good by me, at least so far. I just quickly wanted to point out, this has so much dressing in it. So if you're somebody who doesn't like dressing, which is not me, I love dressing, be warned, this is a very moist salad. And like I said, I'm not going to complain. Oh, and Ashley's hummus is really, really good. All right, we've got our full bellies. Again, Docking Bay 7 was amazing. But this is even better, the Millennium Falcon in person. And it is time to ride Smuggler's Run. We're stoked. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can with the phone before having to switch to the camera when it gets too dark. No. Okay. We can do this. Oh man. Hey Ash, can I ask you a favor? Can you take my glasses off when you're done? Here's the back. Oh, this is so awesome. Look at the extended queue, by the way. I mean, I think this line, I didn't see it. Is it 25 minutes? 15? 20? Oh man, guys. This is... It's Millennium Falcon, guys. And I haven't pointed it out yet, and I said I would. Trash can! Alright, now it looks like we're going to slow down to actually hit lines. But this is... I just want to know if this is anywhere close to what Indiana Jones is. Here's the other side. I mean, we've all seen like what Indiana Jones's queue line is, obviously. So, will this rival it? I guess I'm about to find out. Oh man. Okay, I think it's time to switch to the camera. Okay, we've reached the top. And Ashley's trying to pull every lever she can already, push every button. But look at the detail. That is incredible. And it's all hooked up. That is insane. Oh, by the way, you guys can help us. Keep your eye out for a red button.
Good for you.
Oh no, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here.
Step all the way forward, applicants. All the way forward, please.
Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind.
It's official, I'm peeking out. Oh, man.
nothing happened. I'm just gonna keep hitting it. Ashley, hold up yours.
What did you get? You got
Hold
a
it up.
pilot.
Hold it up. Come on, you gotta hold it the right way. We both got pilots on us.
Why do you use this thing?
This is amazing. And I'm obsessed with this red button. I'm hoping it works.
I really want this red button to work.
But it doesn't seem to be working. But here is the chess table. We'll take one last look here at the entrance. This is where we walked in from.
We had a group in red credentials, red. Red or white? Put the flashy yellow. It is
Here we go. We're headed in. Oh no, it's stop. Oh, stand on our position. You want to be left or right?
Good luck to you all.
Pilot.
You might need it. Today's
Pilot.
flight takes you to the planet Corellia.
Do you actually read what this one does what?
No.
Or the train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Oh man. Okay, this is where I leave you guys.
Holy cow. I'm almost speechless. That was amazing. We both were pilots, which was awesome. And I mean, first off, I'm getting ahead of myself. How about that Hondo animatronic? I mean, that is unbelievable. His movements, his facial expressions. I mean, that's insane. The next part, you know, walking through the hole, you know, walking through the whole the Millennium Falcon, just walking. See, I'm baffled for words. I'm just I can't. But it was awesome. Like I said, we both were pilots. I was the left-right pilot. Ashley was the up and down. I did amazing. She did horribly, but she did get to pull the lever for hyperspace. So that was awesome. We highly recommend that. We are going to definitely try to ride that again because it was amazing. And we got 25%. So Ashley's probably, yeah, she'd be better shooting. But we got 25%. Hopefully we can improve next time. We're gonna get some milk. I'm gonna get green. Ashley's gonna get blue. We're gonna try both. But man, Smuggler's Run, that's like Star Tours on steroids. I got blue milk. I got blue milk. I got blue milk today. Hey.